I'm very excited to see what my new hair looks like, so thank you very much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. How exciting!
Hello everybody, we're outside. Can you see it in the background? The BBC, and we're just about to go on the show for Gail Porter. It's quite exciting. And there's the garden, and there's people queuing behind to get in to watch it. So hopefully it'll all go well. Here we are, we're swimming. Fantastic. Gail's in the changing rooms, and we're all very excited. I forgot my cufflinks, so I look like I've just come from a casino. But this is going to be one good day.
When I could send a picture to my dad once this is done, because the thing is, love my dad, but I know if I sent him a picture, he'd probably show everybody in the pub. Yeah. A couple of beers, go look at my daughter with her hair. Oh. In a nice dad way.
Yeah.
I thought I'll just leave it.
What part of Spain is he in?
He's in Marbella.
Nice.
I'm getting my hair cut. I usually just have to razor off one, which is like a rogue one on the top of my head.
Has any of the hair come back at all? Like in patches?
Occasionally I get little bits, but not enough to do anything. And it's really fine as well, it's like baby hair.
Baby hair, like phallus hair.
Yeah, it's like white. Which my daughter keeps pointing out that I'm getting really old and it's actually grey. And I tell her it's baby fluff. She's like, no, you're just ancient.
Lives in particular a real misery in many parts of the country. Just over the weekend, Northern cancelled the night.
Hi everybody, that was good fun. Hey Gail, hold on, let me get my finger away from it and start again. Say everybody, thank you Gail. Cheers. Yeah. Cheers. Go on, what are you having?
Cheers. She's having a pint of gin.
Mine's lime and soda, honest.
Well, let's go.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.